So we encountered a problem with this Flywoo Firefly 2 weeks ago, wherein my RSSI and link quality to the remote controller is 0. So there are no ways to control this drone remotely. So that was my problem. I tried to remove the battery, put it back in, I think a couple of times, but there are still no connection. I also used Betaflight, tried to probably change the channel or do something in the CLI, but still it is unable to connect to the remote controller. I was not, honestly, I was not trying to touch any of those components inside the drone because I'm afraid it might get more problematic, or I may short circuit something there. So I'm trying not to touch any of the board. Okay, so I look at Facebook, and a couple of people suggested to me that I check the firmware of this Flywoo versus the remote controller. So the ELRS version should match. With this one, the ELRS is 2.2. So it's a bit old. Now with the controller, it's 2.3. So the people said I should upgrade it. But when I researched it, it's a bit difficult, and there's a chance that I may break something. So it's very problematic, really. I tried to no, the remote controller was working probably 1 week before that situation happened. So I told the guys that I think the remote controller is not the problem, because they were able to connect somehow before that incident. And they said the possible fix is much easier than updating the firmware. I should just take off the ELRS, which is this one, the ELRS module. It's actually inside this this part. It's let's look at here at this side. That space, free space, held the ELRS. Yeah, it's not held by any bolt or any nut or any screws. It's just placed there by Flywoo. They said that the UFL connection here, this one, may have been loose all along. Even out of the factory, probably that is loose. So their suggestion is to remove it and put it back in. Now, my next problem would be I only have the shrink wrap, this white plastic. It's only one. There are no there are no spare. So I'm having a problem to just cut this. How can I return the shrink wrap? Okay, so that's my next problem. So before that, let's try to, I was able to solve this issue by just removing the UFL connector and put it back in. Then suddenly it has connection. But there is another problem. When I place this module, the ELRS module, back underneath this canopy, or this frame, it suddenly loses a signal again. Okay, so it happened again. So I was really thinking that this is probably damaged, or there's something wrong inside that connector. So my next solution was to put some heat resistant glue, which is this one, the colored red, amber red, yeah. So I placed a few drops. I tried not to touch any of the chips. Because it might be my short circuit. But if you have an access to a liquid electric tape, you can use that to make sure that this will hold together. So when I turn on the receiver, I connected this. There are no more issue even if I place the ELRS module underneath this body. Okay. Whew. Now, the second problem. How can I place another shrink wrap here when I don't have any spare? So my solution was to place a heat shrink that is colored black. But the problem now, how can I check if the ELRS has a problem? Because there's an LED underneath, which is that one. I hope you can see it in the camera. That small LED will tell you if there's a problem with the ELRS module. So right now, my only solution right now is to use this again, because we don't have any choice. We will just use this again. Okay, I place it back here, and I will use the shrink wrap that is colored black, probably a small one, just to hold it in place while I try to find or source out a white colored heat shrink. In the meantime, this would probably solve my issue. Really, this is my only solution for now. Okay, just be careful so that no wire will be removed. So if you have some spare heat shrink, please give me some. Hot blower, medium range, just so that to melt those heat shrink. On the controller, here's the controller. Okay, let's see if I am able to spin this motors. Okay, let's turn on. Let's see. Hopefully this will fix, really. Okay, we're still able to see the LED light. Okay, our link quality is 100. Okay, I hope you can see that. That's link quality 100. Okay, let's try to arm. Oh, it's not arming. What's happening? Why? Arm. Okay, this is armed. Let's see if we... Okay, we can spin now. Okay, so we already solved the problem. It's okay. Let's enter. Off. Okay, so the telemetry is working now. We can hear the motors. Why are you not spinning? Okay, why are you not spinning? Alright. So, we have solved the problem for the Flywoo. Now, we will just place it probably underneath here. And if it won't fit, I'll probably place the ELRS somewhere, probably here, just to protect it from damages later on. And hopefully, if this happened to you and you're unable to connect your ELRS to your receiver or your remote controller, you just need to plug and unplug the UFL connector. Hopefully you can now pair it with your RC and fly without any problems at all. Okay, so I was able to salvage some parts of the Flywoo, and I found out that there are 4 spacers here. We will utilize this spacer so that we can increase the height, so that we can fit that enlarged ELRS. So we have finally fixed this Flywoo Firefly. We already repaired the ELRS, which is this one, so that we can now, because it's a bit enlarged by the black heat shrink, now we're able to fit it here. I still have room or space here, so we can possibly add another module. Because I'm planning to upgrade this camera, so we need for the RunCam Nano Lite. Oh no, Split 3 Nano. So we will place a RunCam here. So we still have space for that, as well as, yeah, we still have room underneath to fit something else. Also, I'm just not sure if this would be strong enough, because we just put a spacer between these 3 poles just to give a bit of space here at the top. So if this is a bit weak, I'll probably buy a longer diamond, what do you call this, spacer. And yeah, it became a bit taller than usual, so I have more room for the Insta360 here. Hope this video helped you in some ways, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe. And as always, see you on the next video. Bye bye. So let's fly.
Buhay pa. Buhay pa. Basag eh.